To enable and use the text mode of the Bixby Vision in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open Bixby Vision. As the example, we will open it from the app screen. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Under mode section, tap the gray on offset next to text to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Now to use the text mode of the Bixby Vision, open Bixby Vision, select text, and then point your camera at some text. You can see that the texts are captured. Now you can select the desired text you like to copy. If needed, you can copy the selected text, select all text, translate the selected text, or search the selected text through the Google search. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.